Hi, Attilian here. You might know me from things such as the intro to this video. Hi, Attilian here. See? As I promised some of my friends, I'm going to give you a basic clawhammer lesson so you can play the way that I play. And I will be showing you how to play my minor key version of Zelda's The Lost Woods. Okay, let's get started. If you are a banjo player, you are likely in G standard. Since this is a minor key version of the song, we're going to switch to G minor. I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to take your second string, starting from the bottom as your first. Your second string is a B. You're going to lower it a half step to B flat. Your fifth string, the drone string, will be G. Your fourth string will be D. Your third string will be G. Your second string will be B flat. And your first string will be D. Open G minor. Ooh, that was cool the way the wind picked up like that. Oh, let's summon some magic, some Lost Woods magic. If you're brand new to the banjo, I'm going to show you something called the Bum Ditty. Very, very important to get it right. The first thing I'm going to do is show you how to do it wrong. I play the bum upward, meaning toward my drone string with my hand. So I just rake up the strings. Bum. And then I strike down with the back of my index finger for the dit. Dit. And then I rest my thumb on the drone string and pull it off for the T. So a little smoother, it sounds like bum, ditty, bum. It's important to get this right. Go a little faster. Pause and take as long as it takes. Okay, once you've got the bum ditty down, we're going to start dialing it in on just one string. So now your up pick, your bum, we're going to start with the first string only. Only hit that string on the way up. Hit all the strings on the way down. And then T with the thumb. First string only. Good. Now we're going to move to the second string. Bum, ditty, bum, ditty, bum. Guess what? The third string after this one. Bum, ditty, bum. Fourth string. Should be able to hit all of the strings individually as you wish. So now we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, also want to be able to skip strings. So we're going to go 1, 3, 2, 4. So your hand is making the same movement, and you're just opening your grip a little bit to hit the first string or the second string or the third or the fourth. Just pinching your fingers together with your thumb. Your thumb will always land on that drone, and you're okay, if you haven't had enough, and you should be stopping the video to practice, we're now going to single out strings on the downstroke. So the upstroke will be string 1, bum, and then we're going to hit only string 2 for the dit. And then the T is going to be the thumb. Also be able to individually single out all your strings on the downstroke. So I'm going to play around through the strings and see how it sounds. So this is what sets my Bum Ditty apart from most traditional clawhammer players. Most people only play the downstroke Bum Ditty, so they play down, ditty, down, ditty, down. I play a mixture of up, then down, up, down, up, down. It's my personal preference. You can do it however you want. I recommend that you learn the downstroke Bum Ditty and then do what I do and mix it back and forth as the song requires. So the melody to the Lost Woods is the very easy, and most of that is just open strings and doing the Bum Ditty like we did. So we're going to do string 3 open, string 2 open, and string 1 open. We're going to use our Bum Ditty that we did with the single strings. So it's going to be string 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. To do our first fretting. It's going to go on the first string to the 5th fret and pull it off to the 3rd, back to open, 1st fret, open, open, open. So putting it all together, you get okay, so now if you have the melody, we're going to place our index finger in the 1st fret on the 4th string and play this chord. So now when you hit your 3, 2, 1 strings, you can brush up on that So I think I'm hitting strings 3 and 4 together when I start the melody. Alright, so that's the lesson to the intro of The Lost Woods. I'll play through it and put the tab up here, so if you want to come back after you've practiced your Bum Ditty and play along with me at a slower tempo, you're more than welcome to. Alright, well thanks for coming along. Work on that Bum Ditty, mute your strings, and if you do a good Bum Ditty, it should sound like this. Bum Ditty, Bum Ditty. Start with the up stroke. Up, down T, up, down T, up, down T. Bum Ditty, Bum Ditty. Let me know what you want to see next. Let me know if the lesson was any good. And if you want to see more, I'll be glad to show you more. Thanks for watching.